Well, we are here this morning with Tim Watson, our local advice attorney who keeps us informed and up to date on all things legal. Now, Tim, thanks for being here.
Yeah,
Thank
great
you.
to see you again.
Yeah, glad to be back.
You represent folks who are victims of medical malpractice. Now, I think we've all heard the term, but can you just kind of explain that?
Yeah. So medical malpractice is just a specific kind of negligence. Negligence is a really common legal claim, and it means four specific things. If you are going to succeed in a suit for negligence, you have to prove the duty, what somebody was supposed to do, the standard of care that they were supposed to provide. You have to prove that there was a breach of that duty, somebody breached the standard of care. And then you have to prove something called causation. You have to prove that the breach of the standard of care was the but-for cause of the injury. It's sometimes called the proximate cause. Injury wouldn't have happened without it. And then you have to prove damages, and damages are the extent of the injury. So that's negligence. Medical malpractice is negligence in the context of a medical provider. It is a medical provider who has committed negligence.
And I think you kind of just answered this one, but my next question was, are there some specific differences in medical malpractice as opposed to other types of negligence cases?
Yes, there are. So medical malpractice is more narrow than other types of negligence cases. So like I said, medical malpractice is when a medical provider fails to perform up to the standard of care, fail to provide care to a patient up to an acceptable standard of care, and that failure is the cause of an injury. But for example, differences in medical malpractice, even if an attorney believes that a doctor or some medical provider has breached the standard of care and caused some injury, an attorney can't file a lawsuit unless they have another doctor look over the medical records and confirm for the attorney exactly what the negligence was. It's actually illegal in Arkansas for an attorney to file a case without having that.
Okay.
So does that kind of add up, I'm assuming time, but expenses to the evaluation of these cases?
It does. Yeah, so, I mean, an attorney has to go and find a doctor and find the right doctor to review the medical records and confirm that there was negligence. And so the attorney has to pay that doctor, almost always, for that opinion. You also have to collect the medical records. They're not just right there. An attorney often has to go get them. And collecting medical records can be kind of frustrating sometimes. It takes time. And then you have to get them to the doctor, and then you have to wait for the doctor to have time for the review. And so, yes, it does. It adds time and expense to the evaluation of these cases.
Tim, what should someone do if they feel like they are a victim of medical malpractice?
Yeah, so there are some good things that you can do. And number one, anytime you're injured, regardless of the legal context, take care of yourself. Do what you need to do to take care of yourself first. Get to another doctor, get a diagnosis of what your injury is and what treatment you need. And then if you're able to collect the records, that's always very helpful. If you're able to document what's been going on for yourself, that adds to the narrative that we find in these records because it adds your personal story to these records. And contact an attorney as soon as possible. You only have a 2-year statute of limitations in these things, and it's 3 in other cases, in other negligence cases. So it happens quick. 2 years sounds like a long time, but it's not.
Right.
Yeah.
So take care of yourself. If you're able to collect the records and make notes for yourself, that's great. Contact an attorney and let me help you. Yeah.
How can folks reach you?
So they can come to our website, mgwfirm.com. They can call us. They can come by and talk to me. It's real easy to get in touch with me. I'm happy to talk to anybody that wants to call.
Yeah, it's so personable. Thanks,
Yeah.
Tim. Thanks for
Thank
joining
you.
us.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
We
Good to
love
be
having
here.
We
you
love
on.
having you.
Yeah, well, I love being here.
Good. We'll have you back then.